to add and activate Samsung Dex routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Next, tap get the most out of your phone and then select Samsung Dex. Next, tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. By adding Samsung Dex routine, now when you start using Samsung Dex, this routine will be enabled automatically and your phone will enable do not disturb mode and set the sound mode on your phone to silent, so you can stay focused on your work while you are using Samsung Dex. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.